National Conference patron Farooq Abdullah faces heat over Roshni land scam case. BJP launches a tirade against Farooq Abdullah, saying that former Chief Minister exploited Roshni Act. Farooq, however, is denying all these charges. Here's the latest coming in.
Farooq Abdullah, former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir and patron of the National Conference Party, is facing the charge that his home in Jammu is built on illegally acquired land. The Jammu and Kashmir administration has named the 83-year-old veteran politician in a list of those who exploited the Roshni Act to grab land.
Right now I'm standing in Sunjwa Bachindi area of Jammu, and behind me the house that you are seeing belongs to Dr. Farooq Abdullah. This is his private residence here in Jammu city, and you can see this huge bungalow. You can see the outer boundary walls, tall boundary walls. It's a mansion, and Farooq Abdullah is accused of encroaching upon forest land, and the allegation against him is that he has built this house on forest land.
The government list reveals that Farooq allegedly purchased 3 canals of land at Jammu's Sunjwan area in 1998 and then went on to acquire 7 canals of government and forest land. Several National Conference leaders, bureaucrats and relatives of judges have also allegedly illegally got land in the vicinity. The BJP has launched a frontal attack on the National Conference patriarch.
कोई व्यक्ति नेता है, मुख्यमंत्री है और वो इस तरह से सरकारी जमीन का इंक्रोचमेंट करते हैं, ये बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और उसकी कीमत करोड़ों में है।
जमीन पर कब्जा फारूक अब्दुल्ला जी करते हैं, उनके रिश्तेदार करते हैं, एनसी के नेता करते हैं। आखिरकार ये योजना किसके लिए थी? गरीब की भलाई के लिए, राज्य की भलाई के लिए, रोशनी प्रोजेक्ट लाने के लिए, कि इन भ्रष्ट नेताओं के घर रोशन करने के लिए? ये जो अपने आप को जमीनी नेता कहते थे, जमीनी नेता नहीं, ये जमीनों पर कब्जा करने वाले नेता हैं, दलाल हैं उसके।
Farooq Abdullah has denied all charges, calling it baseless and malicious.
I don't even know whether wrong has been committed. That only,
In case it's found.
That of course will depend on the judgment of the Honorable High Court and the investigations of the CBI. Why are you prejudging? Since the matter is sub judice, it will be inappropriate to comment about it. Let the investigations happen, and whatever is the truth, we are confident shall emerge.
The Roshni Act from 2001 aimed to transfer ownership of state land from the state to its occupants for a fee. The money was to be invested in power projects. But after the National Auditor, the CAG, found huge irregularities, the scheme was scrapped in 2018. With local elections coming up and the Gupkar deciding to contest as an alliance, it's a charged atmosphere in the valley. And questions are being raised on the move by the J&K administration to upload details of encroachers on its website. With Sunil G. Bhatt in Jammu, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.